While retail investors are fighting over meme coins, the biggest banks in the world, JPMorgan, BlackRock, and Citigroup, are quietly buying something else. 10 crypto coins that you've probably never heard of. No hype, no tweets. Just silent accumulation. Today, I'll reveal the 10 coins big banks are secretly buying, why they're doing it, and what it means for your portfolio. So, grab your notebook, because what you're about to learn isn't financial advice, it's financial insight. 1. Follow the money. If you want to know where the next big opportunity is, don't follow influencers. Follow the money. And the money, trillions of dollars in institutional capital, is quietly moving on chain. Coin number 10, Chainlink. Link, banks love data, and Chainlink is literally data for blockchains. It connects real-world information to smart contracts, powering everything from DeFi lending to tokenized real estate. JPMorgan's Onyx network has already tested Chainlink's technology. Why? Because banks can't use public blockchains without reliable data feeds, and Link is the bridge. Data is the new oil. Chainlink is building the pipelines. Coin number 9, Avalanche. AVAX. Avalanche is designed for institutions. It's fast, cheap, and fully compatible with Ethereum. Recently, Citigroup and Bank of America analysts mentioned Avalanche in tokenization reports. Why? Because it can tokenize bonds, real estate, even art. Avalanche isn't competing with meme coins, it's competing with Wall Street infrastructure. Coin number 8, Polygon. Moddage. Banks aren't just buying, they're partnering. MasterCard built its Web3 accelerator on Polygon. Big brands like Starbucks and Nike use Polygon for loyalty and NFTs. Institutions love scalability without breaking Ethereum compatibility. That's exactly what Moddage delivers. Coin number 7, XRP. Ripple. Despite all the controversy, Ripple's XRP remains a bank favorite. It's fast, efficient, and designed for cross-border settlements. Dozens of financial institutions, from Santander to Standard Chartered, have piloted or integrated RippleNet. Regulators may slow it down, but the infrastructure? Already there. You can fight XRP's narrative, but you can't ignore its adoption. Coin number 6, Ethereum, ETH, the smart contract king. BlackRock's tokenized fund? Runs on Ethereum. JPMorgan's private blockchain? Built on Ethereum tech. Every time a bank experiments with digital assets, somewhere in the code, there's Ethereum. Ethereum is not a coin, it's a global financial computer. Coin number 5, Stellar, XLM. While XRP dominates big bank payments, Stellar quietly leads in financial inclusion. Partnerships with MoneyGram, IBM, and even discussions with central banks have made Stellar a key player in bridging traditional finance with blockchain. Where XRP serves the giants, Stellar serves the people the giants forgot. Coin number 4, Tokenized USD platforms, USDC. It's not just about coins, it's about infrastructure. USDC, backed by Circle and connected to BlackRock's cash reserves, is now the go-to stablecoin for banks experimenting with on-chain settlements. Circle's recent partnership with Visa confirms it. Banks trust stablecoins that act like regulated dollars. Stablecoins are the missing bridge between DeFi and Wall Street. Coin number 3, Solana, SOL. Solana isn't just fast, it's lightning. That speed caught the attention of Visa, Stripe, and Coinbase. Banks exploring on-chain settlement love Solana's throughput. And now, institutional custody providers like Anchorage Digital support SOL, a quiet green light for Wall Street. Speed is money, and Solana is speed embodied. Coin number 2, Bitcoin, BTC, the original, and now the most institutionalized. With over $20 billion in spot Bitcoin ETFs and custodians like Fidelity and BlackRock on board, Bitcoin is no longer anti-bank, it is the bank. Every major financial institution now has indirect BTC exposure through ETFs or custody services. What began as rebellion has become regulation. Coin number 1, Quant, QNT, and number 1, Quant, QNT. The project you'll almost never hear retail talk about, but institutions can't stop mentioning. Quant's overledger connects private and public blockchains, allowing banks to integrate blockchain without replacing their legacy systems. It's already used by LCX, Oracle, and multiple central bank pilots. If the future is multi-chain, Quant is the operating system. Quant is the invisible layer connecting the next financial era. Here's the real secret. Banks don't hate crypto. They just hate losing control of it. By quietly buying, investing, and building, they're preparing to own the rails of this new system. While most retail investors chase hype, banks accumulate the infrastructure. By the time everyone realizes the game changed, they'll already own the board, so now you know what they're buying. The question is, will you wait for the headlines or move before them? If you enjoyed this deep dive, drop a comment with the coin that surprised you most, and subscribe for more data-driven stories.